First, we're gonna melt the butter for about 20 seconds. It should look like this. Now we're gonna add the sugar, the vanilla extract, and the bicarb soda, and then the butter. And then you're gonna mix. Now add the eggs. Now get the flour and the sifter, and sift the flour. Now you're gonna do the same thing with the cocoa powder. And now mix. Next, we're gonna take the canola spray and spray the pan. Then we're gonna get the baking paper and spread it on top. It should look like this. After putting the batter on the pan, we're gonna put it in the oven. I usually do it for about 20 to 25 minutes, but first I do 15 and then 10. This is only optional, but you can also add walnuts to your batter. This was the result. Enjoy!